God, I cry in the daytime, but thou hearest not, and in the night season, and I am not silent. But thou art holy, O that inhabitest the priests of Israel. Our fathers trusted in thee, they trusted and thou didst deliver them. They cried unto thee and were delivered. They trusted in thee and were not confounded. But I am a worm.
I am no feeble Christ, not me. He hangs in glib delight upon his cross, above my body, lowly me. Christ forgive, forgive, holy he holy, shit he forgives. Forgive, forgive, I, me, I vomit for you, Jesu, Christi Christus, puke upon your papal throne. Wrapped you are in the bloody shroud of churlish suicide. Wrapped I am in the bloody cloud of hellish genocide, petulant child. I have suffered for you, where you have never known me. I too must die. Will you be shadowed in the arrogance of my death? Your valley truth. What lights pass those pious heights? What passing bells for these in their trucks? For you, Lord, you are the flag-bearer of these nations, one against the other that die in the mud. No piety, no deity. Is that your forgiveness? Saint, martyr, goat, Billy. Forgive? Shit he forgives. He hangs upon his cross in self-righteous judgment, hangs in crucified delight, nailed to the extent of his vision. His cross, his manhood, his violence, guilt, sin. He would nail my body upon his cross, as if I might have waited for him in the garden, as if I might have perfumed his body, washed those bloody feet. This woman that he seeks, suicide visionary, death revelation.